and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk with you about one topic that I know a lot of people have problems with, and I also know that a lot of people are afraid of, and that topic is how to be more confident in front of the camera. I know people that are really afraid of camera, and whenever I say to them like, let's film that video. No, I don't want to be in front of I don't want to talk in front of the camera, but they know it would be like so good for their business to like present themselves or to be in their own videos. So I'm here with you today to present to you 5 tips and tricks about how to be more confident in front of the camera. So let's dive right into it and let's kill that fear of camera. So tip number 1, have knowledge about the topic that you want to talk about, because whenever you will be in front of the camera, you will be at least a little bit nervous. And if you won't have knowledge and you won't know the topic that you want to talk about, it will be much worse. So it's important for you, when you choose a topic that you want to talk about, make sure that you do your research, know exactly what you want to talk about, and that you will be comfortable about that topic that you want to present to other people. So tip number 2, as we said in a tip 1, when you choose a topic that you have knowledge about, it's now really important to make exact schedule what you want to talk about, to make exact agenda about the topic that you will be presenting in front of the camera. Because when you will know what you will be talking about, you will be less nervous than if you will just go in front of the camera and start talking, because you will be, okay, what now, okay, I'm nervous. Like, it looks like that. Like, believe me, I have been doing that, and in the beginning I didn't make the bullet points, I didn't make the agenda, and now that I know what I want to talk about, and now that I make exact schedule what I want to say in the beginning and then the exact steps that I'm presenting to you, it's much more easier for me, and I also feel much more confident when I'm talking about, because I know what I have to say in the beginning, I know what I have to say then, and I also suggest to you, when you will make a bullet point, for example, for me now, for the second step, like I said, make bullet points, I wrote down 4 to 5 sentences that I want to present to you. So I make sure that when I was preparing, I know exactly what I want to say in that second step or that second tip that I'm talking about right now. So my opinion about that is that make sure that first you know the topic that you're talking about. Second, make exact schedule of the part that you want to present to people, and for the exact part, write down 4 to 5 sentences exactly what about you will be talking in that part. Tip number 3, practice in front of the mirror. Because when you will start filming videos, when you will be at the beginning, it will be terrible, believe me, because you will hate your voice, you will hate how you talk, you will hate how you look, you will hate everything, believe me, when you will see yourself in that video. And it's really important when you start to be practicing, to practice as much as you can, to practice that you will be oh my god, it's enough. And when you say, oh my god, it's enough, practice a little bit more, and especially try to practice it in front of the mirror. Why? Because when you will look yourself, when you will see yourself in the mirror, you won't be then that nervous when you will see yourself on that video, on the camera. And really that helped me so much in the beginning when I was starting out. Before I filmed the video, I went in front of the mirror and just talk to see me to understand me, to see like how I'm functioning, how I'm like how I am, like in general, how I am. And then when I like saw myself on the video, it wasn't that like bad. Okay, I hated my voice in the beginning, and when you have to edit your video, it's terrible because you're listening to yourself like 1,000 times and you're like, oh my god, I can't, I hate myself, like, but then it will be much easier, I guarantee you that. But like really try and practice, really practice in front of the mirror. So like we said, first choose a topic that you have knowledge about, then make bullet points and exact sentences about what you will be talking about so that you will be comfortable about the topic that you will be presenting to people. And the third, practice, really practice as much as you can, and practice in front of the mirror or in front of the camera, and then look yourself, because when you will like see yourself 1,000 times, in the end you won't care about your voice, you won't care about your look. So really practice. It's really important, and this is really one of the biggest suggestions that I will give to you. Please practice. So tip number 4, get critics. Be criticized, not only like by yourself, but send your video. When you will film yourself, send your video to, I don't know, 3-4 friends or your partner, but not only to one person, because people are looking, seeing, thinking totally different. And when you will like get opinions from more people, you will really get the things, that criticism that you want. Why you want it? Because you can use it in your own advantage. And please don't be afraid when people will say, okay, I think you can work maybe more on that part, maybe you can be better here. Don't feel like that, oh my god, I'm not good enough, oh my god, I'm not good enough. No, like work on that things, work and learn from that. Learn, this is something that is really, you can really use it like crazy in your own advantage. And if I give you one example, when I filmed my first English YouTube video, I sent it to my friends, 3 girls, and they were giving me totally different criticisms, but this is like, I was really grateful for them because they were saying things differently, and I now can learn from the things that they were saying to me. You can be Masha better here, maybe you can say this differently. I was really like, oh my god, thank you. I don't feel like that I'm not like good enough now, or oh my god, no, this is not for me. But I learned from that things, and I'm also suggesting you don't be afraid of getting critics. Ask for critics, really ask people and ask yourself, but look from third-person point of view and try to critic yourself. Why? To be better, to have that knowledge. Where are you good, and where you can work a little bit harder, and please use it in your own advantage and don't be afraid. So my tip number 5, be yourself and accept yourself. And why is this 5 tip really important? Because especially when we are starting filming, when we start our video journey, we probably have some people that we really admire, that we really love. How are they in front of the camera, how they express themselves, how they talk. And then we go filming, and then we saw us, and we're like, oh my god, I look terrible, I'm not like talking like them. And this is like the worst part, because you can be somebody else. You can talk, you just can't talk like somebody else. You can't express yourself like somebody else, because you are your own person. You are you. And as soon as you will like accept yourself, it will be much easier, believe me, because when I know that because when I started like filming, I had people that I really admire. When they talk, I'm like, oh my god, they talk so good. And then I see myself now like, oh my god, I wanna like talk like them, or I wanna like express myself like them, but I just like can't, like, because I am me. And this is like one really big limiting belief that a lot of people have, especially when they are in front of the camera, and especially when they are then analyzing themselves on that video. So please accept yourself, be yourself, because this is the thing that makes you unique. This is the thing that people want from you. People want you, not somebody else, because if they want somebody else, they go there and look their videos. They want you, and don't be afraid of being you. So I know I said that I will be giving you 5 tips. I'm giving you also one extra important bonus tip, and that is when you will be filming, try to think that you're talking to your best friend. You're not talking to your phone, you're not talking to your camera, you're talking to your partner, to your best friend, and you will feel much less nervous and much more confident, because when you talk to somebody that you really know well, you're yourself, like we said in a tip 5, and that part is extremely important. And when you will say to yourself, oh my god, that is camera, I now have to talk to camera. Okay, now that I swear, like, talking like that and thinking about I'm talking to camera, I feel already nervous. But as I think like I'm talking to, I don't know, my best friend, I feel much less nervous. I'm like, okay, I'm talking to her and everything's okay. So try to think that you're talking to your best friend, and please be you. People want you, people want your energy, people like want how you express things, and don't be afraid of it, and don't like think that you're please good enough, because you are good enough. You just have to start, and you have to make errors, and you simply have to do something differently in order to grow. So these are my 6 tips that I really wanted to present to you, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel down below. I will be really grateful for that. And of course, I hope you had a great day. I hope I will see you next Sunday when I will launch my new video, and I can't wait. Enjoy your day and hope to see you again. Bye!